Hello, math friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn something very exciting. We are going to find fractions on a number line. Are you ready? Let's go. First, let's look at our number line. Can you find the number 0? Great. Can you find the number 1? Excellent. Everything between 0 and 1 is part of a whole. Now look carefully. Into how many equal parts is our number line divided? Did you say 5? That's right. When we divide the space from 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts, we make fifths. Look at the point. In which position do you see it? Let's continue the lines between 0 and 1, and let's stop on that dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. We are in the fourth position. So our numerator is 4, and the denominator is the number of divisions that we have, which are, that's right, 5. So our fractions is 4 out of 5. Isn't it cool? Let's keep exploring. How many equal parts do you see now? 10. Excellent. Look at the star. In which position do you see it? Let's continue the lines between 0 and 1, and let's stop on that star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. We are in the sixth position. So our numerator is 6, and the denominator is the number of divisions that we have, which are 10. Excellent. So our fractions is 6 out of 10. Now let's try a challenge. Observe this number line. Count the division between 0 and 1. Now observe where the star is. Great. Now remember that place is the numerator, and the denominator the divisions. So our fractions is 4 out of 6. Good job. Now let's try another one. Observe the number line and count. Remember, count the divisions. Now observe where the star is and write the fraction. Take your time. So our fractions is 2 out of 3. Good job. Now let's do backwards. Go to the next video and let's practice how to do it when we receive the fraction and we have to make the line by our own. Are you ready? See you there. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video. Remember, in the description section, there is some material to practice. See you in the next video. Bye!